Hey, my people from YouTube, what's going on? YouTube and the world. It's not just YouTube that people can see your videos, it's all over now, all right? So how's everybody doing? This is my day 3 of my project. I think I'm doing this is gonna be my last day right here. I'm painting that third color on these 2 walls, as you can see. These are the 3 walls. It's obviously is a room. It has 4 walls, but I was going to paint 3 different colors. So, I am painting 3 different colors. So this is like my last and the 3rd color. These 2 walls, they're going to go that lavender. That's that lavender color I was talking to you guys about. All right, that's going to be my final color. I already did the cuts on top, on the window, on the side over here. I did that. So yeah, today's my like I said. Today might be just my final day. I do got to get to work tomorrow. Got to get back into the routine, work routine, new month. So guys, I know it's looking fly. I mean, you don't be afraid. Let me know. Give me your thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Write a comment if you like. But I know it's looking fly. You ain't even got to say it. I know it's looking fly, people. So just hang out. See me in action. All right? All right. Oh, wait a minute. I'm not even in the camera. Hold up, man. Hold up. All right. So this is me in action. In case you doubt me. I know you ain't doubting me because you've seen the other videos. Me with the brush doing the cuts up top on that orange up there. All right. So here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I know it's looking fly. I know it's fly. You ain't got to say it. I know. That's like I said, people, I'm not a professional, but I did this back in the days. I made a living off of this. Painting in New York, them old buildings. In New York, you know, New York is old. The buildings is old out there. I did that when I was a teenager. All right, 18, 19, 20, a young man. All right, so my dad used to do this too. This was a side hustle. This was a side job, and I used to help him wipe the drips on the floor. He used to tell me, wipe the drips for me. I used to do that. So I more or less learned from watching him. You know, he's old now, and it is what it is. He lived his life. He's still alive, but I gotta give the credits to him. Watching him painting the house and doing his side job, which was painting on Saturday. My dad had 3 jobs, all right? 2 jobs from Monday to Friday, a job Saturday and Sunday, which was painting houses. We used to go to Brighton Beach up there in Coney Island, and paint. It wasn't no Russians up there back in the days, all right? So they was just arriving to the country back in the 70s, all right? So like I said, I know myself is looking fly. I'm gonna give myself a compliment, you know. But if you like it, just put your comments up, thumbs up, and give me some feedback, people. I need some feedback. I need some love. Share some love with me. All right. Salute. Peace. Talk to you guys later on. All right. I'm gonna show you the end result.